Are you looking for a good budget battery that you can use in maybe your Canon M3 or your Canon M6? Well, today I'm going to be doing my quick review on the OAproda, or like I like to call it, the OAproda batteries, and we're going to be talking about it coming up next. Hey, what's up guys? It's Diana here with Entre Woman TV, helping transition your passion into the business that you love so you can create the side hustle that you want, even despite your 9 to 5. And on this channel, I do personal development as well as small business development tips, as well as tech gear reviews like I'm going to be talking about today. So if that's something up your alley, definitely consider subscribing. So on this channel, I am always talking about video marketing, whether it's to my one-on-one business clients, if it's an interview, or if it's on a video like we're doing today here on the channel. And I want to talk about some of the best budget batteries for the Canon M6 that I have found. Haven't tested a whole bunch, but when you hit the first one right on the nail, you just kind of stick with it. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the OAproda batteries. Now these are batteries that are built to compare up against the, I believe it is the LP-E17. I'll just say LP-E17. Well, it's not for short, it's still the same. But the LP-E17 battery is the Canon branded name battery that goes into the Canon M3 as well as the Canon M6. Now, the Canon batteries can tend to run anywhere from $50 to $60 brand new, and just for the branded battery. So oftentimes people aren't looking to, spend an extra $50 just on one. I found an amazing, incredible deal with these, almost dropped it, amazing, incredible deal with these OAproda batteries. So I like to call it the OAproda batteries because that's a little bit of a tongue twister. See what I mean? So the OAproda batteries, which is what I like to call them, OAproda has nothing to do with it. It just kind of matches. I don't know. I like it. But the OAproda batteries are super neat and super affordable. So on Amazon, and I'll put everything that I'm talking about down below in the description, but on Amazon, you can get 2 of these OAproda or OAproda batteries online, and you also get an amazing charger that comes with it. I think the best bang for your buck is in this charging system right here because it's USB or micro USB, and it has a display, whereas some of the other third-party battery makers, they don't have that display on the top. So when you plug in the battery, you'll be able to see exactly where it is. So when I did the review of the Canon M6, the hacks that I love about that particular camera, and I will link that over here up in the description up above. One of the things that I love the most about that particular camera was the fact that this system makes you a mobile video editing system and you never have to stop. So as you can see, you can just kind of see the meters, and get it out the light, the meters kind of reflecting there, just letting you know that this is charging. But this isn't plugged into a wall, it's plugged into my battery bank, and the battery bank will tell me if you can just kind of see the lights there. It's kind of hard because they're very light blue, but I'll make sure I do some nice B-roll so you can check that out. But you can actually see the LED lights blinking and flashing. So I've been where I'm driving from one site location to another site location, and I can do just like what I'm doing here and sit this in the passenger side, and I'm able to go just and record endlessly, and I don't have to worry about being next to any ports or wall chargers or anything. This actually doesn't even have a wall charger on it, and I wanted it that way specifically. It's super thin, it's super lightweight, and you get 2 batteries that comes with it. So the OAproda batteries are amazing because they have the exact same runtime as the regular Canon branded batteries. You don't have to worry about them cutting you short on timing. And I've had these batteries for as long as I've had the camera, which is going on 6 months now, and I haven't had any issues whatsoever. So the one drawback to these OAproda batteries is the fact that you cannot see what the active battery life that's left on the battery while it's in the camera. So once you put that battery in and you turn on the Canon M3 or the Canon M6, even if you have the Canon SL2, it'll also work for that camera as well. They always use the same battery. You're not going to be able to see. I can't confirm that for the SL2, but if anybody knows, link it down below in the description, but I'll see if I can find that out and comment down below. But there's no way for you to see what the actual battery life is left on the camera, which is why it was super important for me to get the charging port and the bank that actually shows me what the meters are. So if at any point I'm, concerned as to what it is, even if I just have a stick battery bank, I could just plug it in real quick, let it get a quick charge on the go, drop it in my bag or my purse, and it's no big deal. So that was the only kind of drawback or flaw. You will see like a red flashing light, a few seconds or maybe a minute at the most before it's about to die, and then it just cuts off. So, but because it has the same length as the Canon M6, and once you get to using the M6 or the M3, you can kind of about gauge what the battery life kind of feels like if you're out vlogging, which this is perfect for. Then you'll be able to kind of tell exactly what it is. But other than that, you have about an hour. I've had run times where it's been like an hour and 15 minutes, an hour 20 minutes, even sometimes an hour 25 minutes, but just a hairline difference. So about 1 hour is safe. I wouldn't push it beyond that. At that point, I just take it out and put it in the charger. If you're taking photos, then you can definitely probably squeeze more out of it over time if you're turning the camera on and off intermittently. So overall, I freaking love these OAproda batteries, as I've called them, but they are really amazing, especially that I wish more chargers were just straight USB and had or micro USB and just had where you can see it, the active metering on the charger, so you don't have to guess, is it a green light, is it an orange light, is it just like all the different stuff. I wish it was just that simple. So if you can find an OAproda battery for your particular model of whatever kind of camera it is, and it's like that, I would definitely suggest picking it up. It makes it super easy to do videos on the go. So question of the day, do you only buy, specific brand batteries for your cameras and your equipment? Or are you more like me where you can be flexible, have some that are the actual brand and then some that are third party? So let me know down in the comments. So thanks for checking out today's video. Definitely consider subscribing if you love content like this. On this channel, we do small business development tips and tech tips just like this, because at the end of the day, the whole point is that you're able to create content so that you can market your business, really start to drive traffic to that business and create the side income that you want in your side hustle. So if that's something up your alley, definitely consider subscribing. And to check out more tips like this, definitely go ahead and download the free tech buying guide. If you have no idea what to get and you're just getting started in your business, whether you're using a cell phone or you're investing in mirrorless camera systems like we talked about today, you're going to want this guide. I have some really great tips in there that can help you with the recording side and creating, but as well as the tools that you'll need to create the content so you can share more of your business and what you're doing. But as always, my friends, live with passion. I'll see you guys on the next video.